In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a character over a letter in Microsoft Word. Adding characters or symbols above letters can be important for writing in languages like French, Spanish, or Vietnamese, for creating scientific notations, or for special formatting in documents. Microsoft Word provides several easy ways to place characters, accents, or symbols above letters so your text looks precise, professional, and easy to read. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to do it efficiently. First, open your Microsoft Word document and place your cursor where you want the letter with a character above it to appear. Microsoft Word offers built-in tools for this, including the use of accented characters, combining diacritics, and the equation editor for more advanced needs. For simple accents, like the circumflex, acute, grave, or tilde, you can use keyboard shortcuts. For example, to type an A with a circumflex, hold down Ctrl and Shift, then press the up arrow key and release both before typing the letter A. Similarly, for an acute accent, hold down Ctrl and press the apostrophe key, then type the letter. Word will automatically place the accent above the letter. These shortcuts work for both uppercase and lowercase letters, and you can find specific combinations for other characters depending on your language or needs. Another method is using the Insert Symbol feature. Go to the Insert tab at the top of Word, click on Symbol, and select More Symbols. In the dialog box, you can browse through different sets of characters, such as Latin 1 supplement or Unicode blocks. Once you find the character with the accent or symbol above the letter, click Insert and it will appear at your cursor location. This is especially useful if you don't remember keyboard shortcuts or need less common characters. By using these methods, you can easily place accents, symbols, or characters over letters in Microsoft Word, ensuring your document is accurate and visually clear. Whether you are typing in a foreign language or creating technical content, these tools make it easy and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.